Head turns are great to learn to animate because they're used often and can be a great way to learn the physics of animation better. You should start by creating your starting frame and your finishing frame. Then create the frame that is halfway between those two. You'll generally want to make the head dip down a bit while it's turning, or else the animation might look a little bit stiff and unnatural. Also, unless the subject is scared, they should probably blink or narrow their eyes during the head turn. With this in mind, add the rest of the frames in. If you've seen this video of mine, you'll know that unless a person is turning their head crazy fast, you should slow in, slow out, putting more frames at the beginning and end of the motion. Now you may feel like you are done, but as you may be able to tell, this still looks a little unnatural. Think about all the parts of the character that are less rigid, such as hair. The hair will keep moving after the head has already stopped. It will go past the final stopping point and then fall back into it. If you remember overshooting from that one video, just apply that knowledge. Overshooting works not just for ending fast movements, but for less rigid objects coming to a stop as well. In this case, it's called follow through. After doing that, your head turn should look complete. Hope this helped you!